How to unblock a person on Instagram on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock a person on Instagram on a laptop. From your laptop, you need to open Instagram.com on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on More from your bottom left corner. Then, go to the settings. Here, click on What You See. Click on Support from this page. You'll find the option of blocking accounts. Click on it. Now click on the first option from the given list. These are the steps you need to follow in order to block or unblock someone. Now go to your home page. Click on Search. Then go to Direct Messages. Select the account you want to unblock. Click on this eye. Here you have the option of Unblock right below the report. Confirm to unblock. Your selected account has been unblocked. You can now send them a message and view their profile. Go to their profile. You can also block them from here. By clicking on Unblock, their account will be unblocked. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.